Dasha's World of Friends. It's Dasha's World of Friends. That's me. Yeah. Hello everyone, my name's Rarity and I'm waiting for Daria to come so we can open up these Hatchimals. I'm here, Rarity. What did you need me for? Look. Hatchimals! Amazing! Should we open them up? Of course. Okay. This one? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Rarity. Hi. I got these Hatchimals. Should we open them? Of course, that's why I got them. What's the box in the back for? I don't know how it got there. Let's see what's inside it. Another Hatchimal. Wow. I think we should open this one first. Am I ready? Yeah. I got an egg and it's got green dots. I'll get the plastic off, otherwise I can't open it with the plastic on. So I'm gonna rub the heart and see it goes pink. Because it needs to go pink to go warm so it can open. So now I'm gonna open it and see who's inside. Come on, Daria, keep rubbing. You're almost there. Almost. Half of those pink and done it. Yes. I see purple. Oh, it's a little owl. Let's put him right here so we can see him. Or lying on a flower. He can have a rest now. Wow, I can't believe it. I got an owl as I always wanted and it's purple like you, Rarity. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. And look, it's got silver sparkly wings. No real owl has sparkly wings. Let's put her on the flower. Now she can have a sleep. Ah, wow. I love these Hatchimals so much, including the purple owl because it's purple like my hair and tail. Rarity, let's open this one, right? It would be a good idea. Yeah. Okay, let's start opening it. By the way, guys, it's season 3 Hatchimals. I wonder who's inside. I'm so excited! Ooh! I've never seen this kind of nest. Probably because I've never opened season 3. We got 2 eggs inside. Let's see if I can pop them out. Yep, 1. I can put that one down because I might not be able to get that one out. I'm going to put this one in the nest while I open this one. I think the heart's pink. I'm going to open it. I can see blue and silver wings. monkey. Yay! I like the blue on it because it's so nice and it's my favourite colour. Yes! Look, it's blue with silver wings, and silver wings, if you don't know, means it's common. And it's got a light pink tummy and pink insides of the ears and purple eyes. Did you notice the spots on the shell of the egg were purple? Let's put on this flower next to owl. Let's open the next one. Looks like it's changed colour already, sitting in the warm nest. Let's remove the heart and open it and see who's inside. This one was the easiest to open. Wow! And it's got purple sparkly wings because it's purple and yellow. I like this one. I think purple wings means it's rare. So far I got these three, and my favourite out of them is that owl. So this one I noticed, I looked at this and it was ultra rare, and these two were common. And my favourite definitely was the owl, as I might have said. So here's one more close look at the owl. Her name is Owling. Next we have this monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let me find him. So his name is Gorilla Bee. Gorilla Bee. So it's a gorilla. And ultra rare is coming. The ultra rare's name is Alba Sloth. I didn't know it was a sloth. I love sloths. Hooray! But they sure like to sleep. So she would maybe like to sleep a lot at the Hatchimals nursery. Now we're gonna open this one! Hooray! So I'm gonna open it. I don't know why, but I'm too excited for the last one. So we got another nest. 2 more eggs. So we got a blue dotted one and a red dotted one. Let's see if I can get them out this one. They must be big. Blue one got out easily and it's spinning. Yay! What about red? Come on, red. One all the way over there with red dots. It was so hard to get out. Let's warm it up. I covered my hands on it because my hands are warm, so the heart goes pink faster. It's getting pink. Almost. Put my hand. Ready and pink. So let's open it. I see some see-through parts. This one's common, but wow, look at this part. It's see-through pink. And look at the cute hat. And it's a bird. would be a good one. Ooh. I might recognize it. It's got pink wings. Look, it's got sparkly pink wings and a pink beak, and it's blue with a green tummy, and it's a cute duck. Quack, 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 quack. Look what I made. This bit's plastic, but the other bit that's over there is the egg that you can hatch open, and it looks good for the Hatchimals. Good like chairs to sit on when they're eating their food. So you said this one, this one, this one. We need to see what this one and this one's name is. So this one's name is... let me have a look. I can't find her. She must be here somewhere. One more quick look through. I can't believe I can't find her on here. I think I found her. Her name is Petal Tuku. And she's from the Petal Path. And the other one, quack quack, is definitely at the bottom, I think. Let me have a look. Looking through. She's called Duckley, and she's a rare. There's lots to collect. I'll show you how to make one of these. You get all the real stuff off first. Then it will start to make the shape. There. Let's see if they go on together. Wow, they can almost fit. Let's put a Hatchimal inside and see if we can close it. You can close 2 up. I think she likes the chair. I'm gonna finish off making all my chairs. There, I like your design of making the chairs. Yeah, I've made quite a lot of them. Do you think they would be good as a hat for you? Seriously, I don't like green. Well, it's fine. It looks perfect on you. I'd rather have purple though. Oh, fine, I'll change it then. Much better. This is good. Look like they've been opening Hatchimals. Sit down. Lovely. Wow, Darren's gone. I should as well as play with the Hatchimals at the Hatchimal nursery. And the shells were good. Better than season 2. I'm gonna say some of my favorite YouTubers. Cookies for C, Toys, and me. And they're 2 of my favorite videos. And I hope you've watched. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I really liked opening these Hatchimals. I hope you enjoyed this video and how me and Rarity are going to play with the Hatchimals. Right, Twinkle? Bye, guys.